Hello everyone, I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. Today I want to talk about something as simple as chewing your food the right way, but we still don't do it. Did you know that just by chewing your food the right way, right from losing weight to making sure that nutrients from the food that you eat are completely absorbed into your digestive system? The cause of bloating, flatulence, indigestion, acidity could be the way that you chew your food. There is a reason that we have saliva that keeps coming in our mouth all the time, and we are going to learn and understand how that can impact your health and immunity. Our teeth breaks down food into smaller particles which enters into our stomach. It then gets digested, goes into our intestines, and it is in your intestines where all the nutrition, all the nutrients from the food that you eating gets absorbed into your body. When you chew your food mixes with saliva. Now, saliva contains two important enzymes. One is called lipase, which basically has a function of breaking down food, and yes, the digestion of food starts in your mouth. When saliva mixes with your food, if you are eating too quickly, your food that you eat doesn't have time to mix with your saliva. It goes straight down your esophagus and then into your stomach, and it's not pre-digested. Your food was meant to be pre-digested as you eat it. So lipase is an enzyme that is found in your saliva. When it mixes with your food, it starts breaking down fat right in your mouth. And the other enzyme, amylase. The digestion of fats and carbs doesn't start in your stomach, it starts in your mouth. And there's a very important reason for that. Because the moment the digestion of carbs and fat starts in your mouth, your brain gets a signal that it is receiving carbs and fat, and that limits the amount of cravings that you would have for more food. But when you eat too quickly, then your brain doesn't get the signal. You continue to eat more and more, and you continue to feel hungry and have cravings because your brain is still waiting for that signal to get carbs and fats. So the digestion starts in your mouth. People who eat extremely healthy salads and fruits and all the healthy superfoods available, and they still have nutritional deficiencies. They still have problems. We know people who eat healthy and exercise and they still struggle to lose weight. And most of that answer can be in your digestion and the way you eat. So you see, the nutrients from the food that you eat needs to be absorbed by your intestine and sent into your blood and to your cells. When you eat too fast, you put larger chunks of food down straight into your stomach. You lose most of the nutrition and the food you're eating, even if you're eating extremely healthy. And the side effect of that is a lot of undigested food particles get into your blood system. Your intestines have good and bad bacteria, and this bacteria takes out nutrients from the food that you eat and sends it to your cells. Now, when you put undigested or large particles of foods in your intestine, you are actually feeding the bad bacteria, and that's why you have bloating, diarrhea, constipation, abdominal cramps, flatulence. The best way to lose weight is start chewing your food, and you can try this at lunch or dinner tonight. Every meal of food, when you chew it really well, okay, until it's liquid, and then swallow it, and I can guarantee you will not finish the food on your plate. Because when you send signals to your brain that you are getting carbs and getting fat, your body stops craving food. It stops the whole feeling of hunger. It disappears, and a little amount of food will fill you up. So which means you have lesser calories, less a calorie intake, which means you lose weight faster. Eating the right way and only by chewing and sending the right amount of food to your stomach, you can have control over how much acid your stomach produces and be away from all these medicines which causes serious side effects. Yes, all your antacid medications have side effects in the human body as well. 75% of the energy in the human body goes towards digestion. 75%, and that is because we eat so much. Your digestive system uses so much of energy to break down food, which is wrong. It should have been pre-digested in the mouth. 75% of the energy used should be going to our cells to enable us to feel strong, lively, happy, energetic throughout the day. We should be able to do so much more, have better workouts, be so much more active with that energy. But if your digestive system is stealing almost 75% of that energy to break down food, that's not the way the human body was designed. So help your body distribute its energy equally to all those trillion cells, which is your immunity. If you send the right nutrients to your cells, you send the right energy, you have stronger cells, stronger immunity, which means weight loss becomes easier. Aches and pains disappear, bloating, indigestion, and all the most common problems which we run after can be fixed by making this one lifestyle change. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.